Hey guys, I thought it was about time to do another update. Just coming back from Malanda. I think it's about the fourth time or fifth time I've been up there. Pretty well, he's very happy with the balance of the upper part of my body. Now he's starting to attack my legs. So now we're back into the horrible pain again, and it's all the nerves in my feet and around my ankles and all that, and I can tell you back into the excruciating pain again. But I mean, I'm feeling a lot better. I feel pretty good. I haven't seen any amazing things happening with my legs or anything to that effect, but like he said, he's now got the upper part of the body working, and he's fixed the main balance part of up in my head and all around that area. So now he's working on the legs. In between times, I have done more sessions with the lady that does fast EFT, and gotten rid of some more emotional issues, because like I've said before, a lot of this is combined between a physical issue, which is usually the end of, and it all basically stems from emotion. So I've done that. I've got EFT. I've got another one of those tomorrow afternoon. This is Wednesday, so tomorrow afternoon on Thursday I've got another session. Also have been doing, for I don't remember now, I think it's about a month now, I've been doing the healing codes. So we do that 3 times a day, and that's another one where you're using physical points of energy areas, and also positive affirmations. So all of it combined together is doing well. The issue have had is I've had 2 lots of relatives come up to see me, and 2 of them have both come up with flus, and because of my immune system at the moment, I've ended up with the flu twice. So the last time it bedridden me for 4 days. This time around I've just ended up with a blocked nose and feeling a bit pooey, which always worries Schindelar, because it takes away the healing of the body to go and fix the colds, so that puts you backwards a little bit. But other than that, I'm pretty good. Look, I have to be honest, I still get those times where you know, I know you stumble. About a week ago I tripped over a plank in my studio and ended up face first into the floor, which wasn't really nice. So, you know, I'm probably what you'd call really hanging out for something to change in my legs to give me a bit more stability. The whole walking around at -2 bloody steps, or walking around like a snail, is really difficult. So I'll feel a lot better when I start getting a bit more stability in my legs. Also, I did notice after the last flu, I end up with all the twitches on my body again. So, you know, Schindelar's right. You know, it's taken away the effort in curing my body, so it's gone to that and then forgot about my body. So of course I paid for it in that aspect. But I mean, they've all calmed down again. I've had a few cramps, not very many. They're very few and far between. I have had problems like the other day. I did a full day doing work on my studio, trying to get it built and finished, and I found that like my thumb would cramp down like that, or my index finger would try and bend across there, and all that sort of horrible stuff. So I've had a few of those. I think a lot of it's got to do with when I strain the body too much. The issue I really do find hard is the fact is the conditioning of my body's gone to, you know, pretty well nothing. I've lost strength in my legs. It's very difficult to walk up and down steps now. So there's a lot of difficulties in those areas where there's deterioration in the muscle. But I can't, you know, at this stage I just cannot go along and go too nuts with the training or anything like that, because it just causes problems. But we do fly out this Friday to Thailand for a holiday, and in the unit we're staying at, it has a beautiful big pool outside and a little gym downstairs. So I'm kind of hoping that I'll spend some time in the pool and swimming around. A lot of people suggested that's probably a good thing to do. It's not so much of an impact on the body, it's a lot more where you can go along and do some training without actually putting too much of an impact onto the body. So I'm kind of thinking about doing that as well. So we were going to rush around all over the place in Thailand and do the usual stuff, but we've decided we're just going to take it easy. It's pretty well a time to relax. The amount of people that have been through and the rushing back to Malanda and back and forth all the time, it's taken its toll. The pair of us are worn out. We just need some time. So it feels like we work harder now than what we did before when we actually had jobs. So we're really going to go over now and just relax and take it easy. Pretty well, that's the main thing. When I first got diagnosed was probably the first time I actually really stopped and did nothing for nearly a week. I really stopped. Whereas since then it's been a more positive, we're going to do this and we're going to get on with it and move on. And I've been working harder, which is probably maybe against what I should be doing. So we'll see how we go. Still early days. It's still not going to be like an overnight thing. It's going to take quite time. So anyway, you have a great one. We'll see you out there. Eh?
Yep.
So here we go.
Cheers.
Let's go to Thailand, everybody.
Party time.
Party time.